This is the new book.
Oh, good.
And this is my very, very first copy that I've received.
Oh, the first one.
This is the very first time I've seen the book whole like this. Okay? So this is a present for you.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, you helped me so much talking about the Morse code, right?
Yes, it came to life again.
It did. It was amazing. You did the whole alphabet.
Da 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 da. I go through it.
Except you forgot the F, remember?
The F and the L always.
They're really tough, right?
Yes, they've got the same dips and dars in.
Right.
That's.
Here's a quiz for you. Do you think the book is called What We Buried?
I'm trying to think what we could have buried.
Well, what we could have buried. You want me to change the title? It's a bit too late. But do you think there's any way you could do this title in Morse code? Take your time.
Da 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 da. I'm going to go blank in a minute.
Okay.
Da 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 da. That's it.
That's it?
Yes.
Beautiful.